Hi everyone. At Mitsubishi Electric, we understand that efficiency is critical in the manufacturing process, particularly when it comes to the production of medical products which have an effect on human life and health. For this reason, we have developed innovative solutions that can significantly enhance medical applications for the better. The key to success often lies in the small details that might not seem significant at first glance. For instance, a robot's ability to follow and track objects on a moving conveyor can greatly enhance the speed of operations and maximize output. This is made possible by the incorporation of sensors and vision systems that inform robots about the changing position of the objects on the conveyor. Thanks to the time saved in the previous stage, in the following stage of production, focus can be placed on accuracy of movements and ensuring precise production, which is crucial in the medical appliance industry. The collaboration of robots not only ensures high efficiency, but also guarantees precision and safety. The robots have the capability to perform automated testing of substances, as well as to handle the filling, capping, and palletizing of medical products. By incorporating traceability applications into the system, your production process can be made more transparent and compliant with relevant regulations. All of these features work together to provide a safe solution for humans who do not require direct contact with samples, ultimately increasing safety and reducing the likelihood of errors. That's it for now. Stay tuned for the next episode.